Alrighty guys, I had to make a run. Y'all see this car? This is my '07 Charger that I drive from time to time. Actually my friend drives it, but I'm putting some brakes on. Let me show y'all something. Carquest. I don't know where she get these parts from. I don't think these Carquest got their own store, right? Right. So I don't think these, like, she got Carquest parts from AutoZone or anything like that. But let me tell y'all, now she got me new rotors. Here I got my old rotors down there. Guys, I'm not a big fan of just regularly replacing rotors, okay? I'm still a cheap guy. But when it comes to customer vehicle, to try to cut out all the risk, I tend to go with new rotors. But my personal car, I'm going to shave it until I'm out of specs. I'm just that type of guy. Especially I have a brake machine, and it's not difficult to do, and I can save, I don't know what rotors run these days, 40 bucks a piece. I can save 50 bucks a piece. I can save 100 bucks by resurfacing my rotor. Okay, watch this video right here where I was actually doing a resurface brake rotor job at the shop. Okay, I did not sell rotors. It just would bother my conscience to do that, knowing those rotors was super thick. And you know, she didn't need them. So I mean, a lot of guys do it, so I mean, they still get the same amount of time if they don't do it. And think about it like this: it's going to cost them more times to do it, to do something that they can get this paid the same amount of time to not do it. Okay, so which would you think the average mechanic is going to choose to do? Right, he's going to choose to simply replace the rotor. But in choosing that, you're costing some poor customer extra $200, because these are what, 40 or 50 if you get them yourself, AutoZone, things like that. At a shop, I ain't gonna call that a dealership, but at a particular shop, they roughly, they may be 100 bucks a piece, if not more. I don't know, Ruly 73, Ruly into parts like that. I don't know, you know, the ratio difference. Yes, AutoZone 30, 40, 50 bucks maybe. Dealership or a big major shop, maybe 100 bucks. Okay, so when I can, and it's not, I'm not super busy, yes, I have no problem with resurfacing rotors. All right, but in this case, this is one of those friend of mine that's super picky, guys. Oh my goodness, when I'm done with this, I'm telling you, she gonna go driving, and she gonna turn the radio all the way down. She gonna stick her ear as close to the wheel. I'm this while driving now. Stick her ear as close to the wheel as possible to see if she hear anything. Okay, and if she do, she turning right back around coming to me. Okay, so I'm aware those type customers exist. They just super picky, and they real paranoid about the things that they just got done. See what I'm saying? It can be one of those, wait a minute, I hear a noise in the rear, and I didn't hear that until you did my front brakes. It must be something you did. Yes, it's one of those type customers. Those exist, guys. Now, you can't be mad at them type. You just got to work with them type, and I guess try to educate them. Ma'am, listen, I did your front brakes, and on top of that, I replaced the rotors. I didn't resurface them. So basically, you can make your decision based around the risk factor. Risk, R-I-S-K. When you talk about risk, you talk about the type of customer you're dealing with. If you're dealing with a picky customer like this car owner, yes, I want to cut out, because if I say I turned the rotors, she can say, well, maybe you turned them wrong or you resurfaced them wrong. So no, I don't want to go through all that. She getting 2 new rotors and new pads, so hopefully she should not hear anything. And in fact, if she do hear anything, I can merely blame it on the new parts that she got me. So it's a tit for tat thing. Well, you got me these parts, okay? They only go on one way. You can't put brake rotors on wrong. You can't put brake pads on wrong. However, there are some guys out there that will find a way to accomplish just that. Okay, it's not totally idiot proof, or I ain't calling anybody idiot. I'm just saying you can't put them on wrong. It's like you do brakes. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty much, you know, it's one of those. Now, I did all of that just to get to this point. Guys, this is what I'm going to show y'all the difference between AutoZone and, say, Carquest. All right, now, in the brake pads, I already did the other side, so I wanted to say this side to run this by y'all. Guys, never leave a caliper hanging, okay? Yes, I'm guilty of it, just like any other mechanic out there. I hate those Mr. Do-Right mechanics that act like they never did nothing wrong. All right, will it hurt the line? Absolutely. Is it the end of the world if you leave it hanging? Absolutely not. Okay, just don't do it. It's not a good practice to do if you can avoid it. If it's an emergency, you have to leave it. It doesn't look good on camera. Let me say it like that. So I seen one guy got a special hook. He hooked it right here and he hang it right here. Oh, it looks so neat. But I just lay it right here for the time being because I'm getting ready to put the caliper on, brake pads and the caliper. But before I do that, I want to do this. I want to show y'all the difference between Carquest and Autozone. Look, guys. Yes, there was 4 pads in here. Like I said, I already did the other side. But guess what Carquest include in their brake pads? Dun-da. Yes, guys. Carquest, they will not pull that high wire stunt. This is organic grease. They don't pull the high wire stunt that Autozone do. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video right here. I was faced with a scenario where I went in to buy some brake pads from it, Autozone, and yes, I saw her stick a bag of this in my bag, and I asked her, "What are you doing? I don't need that." Okay, I'm just being nice. And lo and behold, when I got home, I found out I was charged for this. Okay, yeah, you can be nice and give me free stuff, but and guys, I'm not, fussing. It was only $1.63, but the mere fact that she forced it on me, then that became a problem with me. And I took the bag back. I took the brake pads back. I ended up didn't need the brake pad, and I decided to ask the guy why was this forced upon me. And it turned into a joking situation. We had fun with it. So I called the video a scam. Autozone scam. I can't believe they scammed me like that. It was $1.69, guys. But I was made to buy it. My point is, maybe Autozone should take a page out of Carquest. Just do this, guys. Just package this with the brake pads and just sneak and add $1.69 to the price of the brake pads. Nobody would never know. Who's gonna question? Who's gonna say, no, I don't want these brake pads because they're $1.69 more than AutoZone. So I think I'll go to AutoZone and get theirs. Right. I mean, it's called marketing strategy, guys. Where's you marketing gurus out there at AutoZone? Just stick this in the box. All right, this came equipped. They didn't force this on me. They didn't ask me, well, do you need grease? They just simply put it in and probably tag the price along with the brake pads. The person that bought this never know. She'll never know. AutoZone, take a page out of Carquest. All right, guys, I figured I'd have a little fun with this. Just wanted y'all to know. Now, is these lifetime warranty? I don't know. I didn't buy these. I don't know. I will ask her later that was these lifetime warranty. I'm talking against wear. They said lifetime toward wear. I don't know. But this was fun. All right, so I'm gonna use this on the brake pads and put it on. Cool. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. Just thought I'd have a little fun with y'all and show y'all the difference between Carquest and AutoZone. And for the record, I have no problem with neither. The strategy that they employ, it seems to be different. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.